Here we have the Dell XPS M1730. It's the latest gaming notebook from Dell. It was released just last month. The color that we have here is smoke gray. You can get it in also a red and a blue color. Now this has a 17-inch screen and the resolution is WUXGA. Internally on this notebook we have an Intel Core 2 Extreme X7900 processor that runs at 2.8 gigahertz. It is overclockable. There is 2 gigabytes of memory. We have dual 200 gigabyte hard drives. They're in RAID 0 and both spin at 7200 RPM, so your total storage is 400 gigabytes. The highlight of this machine are the graphics cards, and I say cards because there's 2 inside. We have dual NVIDIA Go 8700M GT cards. They're an SLI for boosted graphics performance. We also have an 802.11 ABGN wireless card, and the OS installed on this is Windows Vista Premium. So I'm just going to start up 3D Mark here so you can sort of get a sense of how well the graphics might perform. Also what I'd like to do is bring in our Asus EEE PC to give a size comparison. Now this is a 7-inch screen notebook that weighs 2 pounds. Meanwhile, the Dell is a 17-inch notebook that weighs 9 pounds, so it's over 4 times the weight and the size of this little EE PC. So, obviously, the Dell is intended for gaming and just to be kept on a desk, while the Asus EE PC is designed to be portable and move around. And just for another size comparison here, we'll bring in the power brick used on the Dell, and you can see it's the size of the Asus EE PC. And it also weighs the same amount. This is 2 pounds and this is 2 pounds. So the power brick on the Dell is the same as the Asus. And another thing to notice on this Dell while we're looking is that we have a number pad over here, and we also have an LCD panel display here that will show you system settings, and also while you're gaming it will show such things as frame rates. I'm just going to put the lid down here and we'll finally compare the Dell to a standard size 15.4-inch notebook. If I rest it on top, you can see it's still bigger than the standard 15.4-inch, and then the Asus here. So we have a good lineup. So you'll see this is a gaming desktop replacement. Then we have a mainstream 15.4-inch notebook, then extremely portable system, and the Asus. Stay tuned to notebookreview.com because we'll have a review of the XPS M1730 coming up in the next few weeks.